Okay, so today we have the unboxing of the thermal compound and thermal compound cleaning kit. As I said, the heatsink already has some thermal compound on it, and that needs to be cleaned off and replaced with high-grade thermal compound. And then we have the CPU. Yeah, it is a rather large box for a CPU, but I suspect they've got lots of packing material around it to protect it, with the CPU being in the centre of the box. Okay, so let's get to the unboxing. First, we'll go for the thermal compound because that's just in a little jiffy bag. There we go. And you can see they have the thermal material remover, and that's for cleaning thermal compound off CPUs, heat sinks, etc. And then we have a thermal surface purifier, and that cleans up like any little particulates that you've left over from the first phase of the cleaning. And then finally we have the thermal compound itself, which is here. Get focus. Yeah, Arctic Silver 5, which is some pretty good thermal compound. So that concludes what's in this packet. And now we'll move on to the CPU itself. Very well stuck down. That's good though, because it means nothing's ever going to drop out in shipping. Ah yeah, I was right. There's the CPU right there, nestled in the middle of a bunch of packaging, which is important because these things aren't exactly the toughest thing on the planet. But you can see this is an OEM package, which means other equipment manufacturer. They're not intended to look pretty or anything, but they just have the CPU in them. And just open it up. And inside you have a little piece of foam packing again to protect the CPU. And then that's it. There is the CPU itself. Try and get it to focus. Because of the reflective surface of the CPU itself, it doesn't really want to focus. But it's an Intel Core i7 4790S. And that's important because the S series processors have a low TDP, which is very important for small 1U chassis where heat dissipation really is at a premium. So that is the remainder of the components needed for the build. Catch you next time when we do the build log.